like I got everything here for one. Hello, how's it going, everybody? I'm Jeremy Langlois, coming to you from Houmas House Estate and Gardens. And I wish to you and yours a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. You know, it's Thursday, it's Christmas Eve. We do these videos every Thursday at 12 o'clock, and even though it happened to fall on the calendar that the day is Thursday, Christmas Eve, the day before Christmas, I figure, hey, let's just do a quick video. I know you're busy out there with all your holidays, festivities and everything going on. We're busy here at the restaurant right now. It's one of our busiest days of the year just for the restaurant. We're so grateful to have all these great customers who come here, and we put on a great holiday for everybody and a great dinner, and then we get to be off tomorrow, so it's all good. So again, a quick recipe, so I'm going to get right into it. I thought what I'd do is, I'm sure all of you responsible people out there already have your menus planned for the holidays today or tomorrow coming up. However, I was thinking, what if you just needed to put something together that's quick, that could be unique, but more importantly, great, simple, and really look great? What was something that would just fit great on a holiday spread that for an event that you might have going on for Christmas, holidays, or any other day? And I thought to myself, what about just a quick salad? So a Christmas kind of themed salad that we can put together, and that's what we're going to do today. So just look, let's go ahead. This is only going to literally take minutes. That's how it's designed to be, and watch how we're going to do it. First thing we're going to do is, I got just a couple of different mixtures of lettuce. I went and got everything from the grocery store, you know, nothing that necessarily pulled from the restaurant, just things that from the grocery store, so it's something that I think anybody can put together wherever they're at. Let's talk about the salad greens. There's lots of different greens that you have available. I want you to use what you think your favorite is. I went and normally you see these different spray mix or mixed lettuce mix, which has a multitude of different lettuces. Those are fantastic. We got that. But also, when I was at the store, they also had little packages of arugula. Arugula makes a great salad, or you can mix all this, and that's what we're going to do. Now, I'm starting off with a circular platter. We'll see why in a second. But I'm just going to start to arrange. This is for a spread, y'all. So we're just going to arrange, mix and kind of arrange some of this lettuce on this platter, just like this. Get a little bit of this lettuce on. And we happen to have an empty vase, any kind of ramekin or empty vase that we're going to use as our vessel to hold the salad dressing in. We're going to place this right in the middle. And look what we done made here. We done made, look at this. I'm like Martha Stewart here, guys. We just made a wreath for Christmas. You're welcome. So there we go. We have that right there. Now what we're going to do is just kind of decorate it with some things. We're going to start to make this salad now. I have some satsuma wedges. Orange wedges are fantastic because we're going to make this citrus vinaigrette. So we're just going to start to arrange some of these orange wedges on top of it. But honestly, any kind of toppings that you like on a salad will be fantastic. I really enjoy these orange wedges because A, it's just great. But you know, any kind of, since this is kind of a citrus or fruit-based vinaigrette, you could put, whenever strawberries are in season, you could put some cut strawberries on here. That would look fantastic, that nice bright red color. Blueberries actually go great in salad as well. You can put some blueberries on it, but we're going to arrange some of these oranges on it. Next, I have, perfectly in time for the holidays, seasonal. These are just dried cranberries. Very easy. You can get them at the store. We also sometimes, if you want to be a little more adventuresome, pomegranate seeds have a nice bright red color that go fantastic for salad. You can put that on there as well. But we're using some dried cranberries here. I have here toasted pecans. Again, to my buddy David out there in Georgia, it's pecans, not pecans. Come on. A pecan is what you use to prop up a broken bed. We say pecans here in Louisiana. And don't fight me on it. That's the right way to pronounce it. We're going to put some of the pecans on here. Adds a nice, great, crunchy element to this. But look, if you want to keep it more in that Christmas theme, you know what would be great? Walnuts would be fantastic here. It would be awesome for to keep that kind of Christmas kind of thing going on. Some kind of cheese. Blue cheese would be fine, but I'm using crumbled goat cheese. Just all spread around. I'm just going to kind of put this in here. And we're going to get all that on here. And now look what we got here, y'all. I mean, before we even make the dressing, this is looking really fantastic. It's almost making like this kind of, again, this is like this Christmas wreath that we're ready to set right onto the table or the spread. Now to finish it up, now if you wanted to keep it super simple, I'm not the food police. I'm not going to come to your house and arrest you. Just buy you some dressing at the store and you can put this right in here. You're ready to go. They have lots of great, fantastic dressings. A raspberry or a balsamic dressing would be really great. Any kind of vinaigrette would be fantastic here. But we're going to go ahead and just make a simple dressing. Watch how easy this is. We're going to start off with some Creole mustard. Again, this is something we use often here. You know, Creole mustard, obviously with its Louisiana roots, is a whole grain mustard that's very common in our cuisine here. However, it's super simple to a whole grain Dijon or Dijon mustard. So if you don't have access to Creole mustard, just put Dijon mustard in here. You're going to be good to go. Real simple. Orange juice. Orange juice right in there. I have some honey. We're so lucky here at Houmas House that we have our own beehives here and we get to produce our own honey. But any honey is going to be fantastic. We'll get that honey in there. Little splash of champagne vinegar. This is our vinegar. Anytime you're making a vinaigrette, the typical rule of thumb is going to be 3 parts vinegar or 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. So however much oil you put in it, you multiply that amount by 3, or how much vinegar you put in it, you'll multiply that number by 3, and that's how much oil you add. So just a splash of that vinegar, and then just to finish this dressing off, I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil. Now, I like to put everything in first, and anytime I'm making a dressing, and then whisk in my oil last. The reason for that is, just like the saying goes, vinegar and oil, well, they separate. They don't hold together. What's going to happen is that honey and that mustard and all that we have in there, it's almost going to act as an emulsifier, and it's going to kind of help hold it together. However, it will kind of separate a little bit, and that just means you just stir it a little right before you go to serve it. And finish it off, of course, with some salt and pepper. Get that in there. And now we are ready to go. See how easy that was? Just a quick citrus vinaigrette that I'm now, let me see if I can mess this up on camera. Jesse, my friend Jesse behind the cameras, raise her hand. It looks like we got a question. What you got?
Well,
Jesse?
not a question, but maybe our audience would like to know if they want to purchase Houmas House honey, that they can do so on our online gift shop.
Perfect. Yeah, look at that. We got you covered, guys. Everything. With our honey that we have from our Houmas House beehives, you got to check that out. Our gift shop store. Go to our website, houmashouse.com. It's a great resource for not only our recipes, which are on there, but it has all that information about our restaurants, our tours, and some of the items we sell in the gift shop as well. And then let's see if I can get this in here live. Oh, look at this. It's like I'm a professional. But look, we're just going to finish this off, guys, by putting that vinaigrette right in there. A little spoon or a ladle, fantastic for service. And there you have it. Look how easy this was. We were able to whip this up in no time at all, and this would make a beautiful addition to your holiday spread, whether it's for Christmas, or whether it's just a dinner party, or for New Year's Day coming up, if you're having a get-together. Just put this on here, and this is a fantastic salad. So simple, really looks great, and I think you'll enjoy it if you give it a try. Look, that's it, y'all. I want to wish everybody out there a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas. You know, we have so much fun doing these demos, interacting with you guys online. I hope everybody has a fantastic Christmas, and we'll see you next Thursday, where we're going to be doing something with champagne, because it's New Year's Eve that day. We'll see you then.